Hi everyone, it's part 2 of the haul. If you didn't see that video, click the eye icon up above. So if you didn't watch the video, we got this white canvas and I'm going to tell you where we are right now and how we did it. So we started to paint it orange, which took like a couple minutes. And then we started a new day, we went home, blah, 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 did all we came back. And we decided to paint my feet white and stick my feet on. We have the tape here so we can tell where my toes were supposed to go. So we painted my feet. I do have this right here because my feet aren't flat. I have a little bit of curve. So we're going to paint that in and we're going to see where we're going to go from there. So this is when it's finished. I'd say you should probably air dry it because we use a dryer and it did get messed up around the hair, like right here. You could tell where we were drying it. But it's supposed to say trick or treat, smell my feet. We have my feet here, they're a little ghost. It's actually a little bit still wet. But we had to put layers, around 3 layers, if not 4. But we air dried it for the last 2, I think, if not 1. And that's what it looks like. It can get a little bit messy because it did get all over my sweater, but I hope you try something like this. So for our next craft, we are taking these lollipops and we're going to turn them into ghosts. We already did a couple here, but we didn't put the googly eyes on them yet. I'm going to show you how to do it. So we had to take apart one because we forgot to do it, but we're going to take one of the lollipops and we're going to stick it in the middle of 2 tissues. They're very fragile, but we didn't mess up on any. We have these little hair elastics. I remember I used to have these in my hair. They don't go in my hair anymore. But we just wrap it around it twice. And then we fluff up the bottom. And we have a cute little ghost. And we're gonna add the googly eyes. Okay, so we did the eyes. We put some tacky glue on it, and then we glued the eyes on. We didn't add any bows, but you could add bows if you want. And this is what it looks like. Hi guys, so for the last product, I'm going to be doing it without showing my face. So we have these little paper clips. We have them red spiders, black cats, boo. But for the boo, you should actually be careful, because we actually got it wrong on 2 of them, because this is what they're supposed to look like, but that's okay. We have skulls, pumpkins, ghosts. Since we were the wooden ones, they're really hard to put the white on, so that's okay though. We didn't have enough of the same colors, so we had to do different colors on some of them, but we also have spider webs, bats, and some hats, some beautiful witch hats. We tried to do some pins, like hair pins, but somebody burned themselves, not me, but somebody, so we weren't able to finish them, but we have 4 and a green one. And then we tried to do it with this one, but it was really, really hard to put in our hair, so yeah, we decided not to do it. But that's all for today, guys. Hope you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification down below so you can see every video that we post. Bye, guys!